And welcome back, YouTube. This is Booster Box Buster here with another video. Today, I'm here to share with you some Yu-Gi-Oh! Master Duel on the Nintendo Switch. Booster Pack Opening. So I started to play Master Duel a few days ago, and I gotta say I'm enjoying it quite a bit. I will say this, they're pretty generous early on and giving you quite a bit of gems to spend on packs early on. They kind of want to, I think they want people to be able to get into the game right away, collect a fair number of cards, so they can actually enjoy the game instead of being prohibited, having a very slow roll and having to take forever to actually get cards to play the game. So I do like that approach. It's very beginner friendly. Of course, the more you play, the less rewards you get. You know, you have to. It takes a lot more to earn the rewards. But I have built up some points. I got 7,510 gems, and I'm going to open up some packs. Alright. So first I'm going to go here. I already purchased the Solemn Judgment bundle deal, and now I'm going to purchase the Lightning Storm bundle deal. Because I get a guaranteed Lightning Storm and then 10 booster packs with it. This is actually a great deal because normally 10 packs would cost you 1,000 gems. You're getting it for 750 and a guaranteed Lightning Storm, which is a fantastic, very powerful card. Alright, so let's purchase this and see what we get. Let's open these packs up. So, alright. We got some hollows. Not a whole lot of noteworthy. Is that Trap Tricks? It is. I did not know that they were in this game. I don't think I pulled one yet, so that's pretty cool. Not a whole lot to write home for this particular pack. There's much better cards than that. Oh, that's a Trapped Monster. Okay. Yeah, not a whole lot for this particular pack. This pack kind of sucked, but we'll go on to the next one. I like the animations. It's pretty cool. It gets you excited, pumped up to see what you get. Ooh, we got 2 special cards. Ooh, Earthbound Immortal. That's my very first Earthbound Immortal from this particular game. And what's this? Soul Soft Accord Gracia. No idea. Never seen that card before in my life. But I have seen this one. I've never gotten into Earthbound Immortals. I know they're really popular, but I just can never get into playing them. What's this? Time Lord, Gishki, Supreme King's Castle. Alright. Okay. Not a whole lot to write home about here. What's this card on the end? Gem Knight, okay. Got a Hollow. Is this one? No. Okay. That wasn't the card I thought it was. Yeah, not a whole lot to write home about in that particular pack. Let's see if this one gives us anything. Nothing that I'm looking for. Oh, Ghost Tricks! I didn't know they were here. That's awesome. I'd have to try to get some of those. Ooh. Is that a, Oh, Naturia! Naturia used to be a pretty interesting archetype. Very control-heavy. X-Saber. What's this? Will of the Summoning Great. This one might have something good. I noticed if it has a gold border, it usually has something good in it. Ooh, maybe two good things. Nice. Ooh, that's like a fancy foil. I think that's my first fancy foil. When a monster is summoned this turn, that face-up monster cannot attack. Its effects are negated. Also, it cannot use as material for fusion. So basically, you activate it, and any monster that has been summoned that turn cannot attack. Its effects are negated and cannot be used. So basically, it gives a monster summoning sickness for a turn. Okay. And that's okay. Cosmo. I have not really delved into that archetype, so I don't know if it's any good or not. Ooh, we might get something good in this one. Maybe a UR? That would be cool. Phantom Fortress. And Necro World Banshee. Ooh, zombie support. Cool. What's that card on the end? What's this one? Gigi Lilith? Quilkin? Okay, so that's basically for wind-type decks. Interesting. Alright, we're on to pack number 9 of 10. Not a whole lot to write home about in this one. Let's just go to the next pack. The final pack of this 10-pack bundle brings us... Ooh, we got at least 2 good ones. Ooh, are those both hero-related cards? Generation Next, Yugioh GX, Generation X, or Next. Yep, definitely Yu-Gi-Oh! GX inspired. Oh, this is Secret of the Six Saiyans. Nice. Alright. Not bad. Got some new, oh, and of course, the Lightning Storm. You cannot forget about the Lightning Storm. Great for those going second in the match. Alright. I thought we got some pretty good pulls there. Now I'm going to move on to some secret packs and try to get some cards from some of these particular packs here. What do I want to go to? Well... I'm not gonna lie, I used to be a Six Sams player back in the day. Or not the original, but the legendary Six Sams. So I'm gonna go ahead and purchase 10 of those. Maybe I can build up a good army of cards out of this particular set. At least 5 of them have something good. Ooh. What's this one? Ooh, Ghost Trick. I don't mind getting Ghost Trick help either. Ghost Trick is fun, very annoying archetype to deal with. Hey, another S. Ooh! This is hilarious. I'm getting SRs for non-Six Sam cards. What do we got? Evil Eye Repose? Interesting. And look at that. That thing, it's like super hollow. I kid you not, I have not pulled one of these style hollows until now. It's pretty cool to see that. Dragon of Rebirth. Cool. Alright. Hey, hey. An integral part to the legendary Six Sam engine right there. Used to call him Samurai Blue. Whoa! What's that? Why did it go all yellow for a second? Red and blue, those two very integral. Then we get Shadow of the Sixth Samurai, Shien. When returning from this card, target one Sixth Samurai monster you control with less than 2,000 attack. Its range attack becomes 2,000 until the end of turn. Okay. I don't... I'm trying to figure out why that makes it UR, but maybe I'm overthinking. Haha, Hand of the Six, another fun card for the Six Sam decks. Ooh, we got another good one. This is going to be a UR. Or not UR, sorry, SR. Secret Six Samurai Fuma. Now, see, I never played Secret Six Samurai. I've only ever played Legendary Six Samurai. So I'm not quite sure how the secret ones work. This one's probably going to be a boring, yeah, pretty boring particular set of cards there. Ooh, we got a UR. A second UR. That's good luck right there. Ooh, what is it? Chimera Tech Mega Fleet Dragon. Cyber Dragon monster, one monster in the extra monster zone. Oh wow. You can, the original attack becomes 12 times the number of fusion materials used for special summon. So off the bat, you're guaranteed to have 24. You can get it up. You can get this bad boy up to 6,000 if you're willing to sack your whole field. Holy cow, that could be a powerhouse very quickly there. That's pretty nuts. Okay. And the last pack. It ends with SR. Oh, that's not a bad SR. Alright. Oh, and it's hollow too. That's pretty cool. Not bad. Could have got some better pulls. I was really hoping for. I don't have a gateway, so I was hoping for a gateway. But I guess I could always just use materials to build that. Found a couple of new card packs. The Mischievous Spectres. I'm going to be opening up that pack. Let's see, which one do I want to open up next? Cost of Dark Powers, Mischievous, Pearl. Which is this just pure Naturia? Usually they mix like two archetypes together. This looks like it's mostly Naturia. Yeah, I think this is all Naturia. That's uncommon. Usually you don't see a pure Naturia deck like that. Ghost tricks are so much fun. What are the featured cards? Of course, a la carte Doodle Hand. Hope you got the Dark Scapegoat. I'm gonna get 10 of these as well. Kind of build up a little bit of the pool, you know. Ooh, I see 2 purple ones. That's good. I'm guessing I got 2 ultras, 3 supers, and 5 packs that may have nothing. I'm fine with that. Oh, you tricked me. That card was yellow for a second. This card right here was yellow for a second. I was like, nah. You got too many good cards already. Nice. So this one we're supposed to get something decent. Am I wrong? Okay. Okay. I thought I was getting rickrolled there. Ghost Trick Mansion. Ooh. Gotta love those URs. Invoked Elysium. I've never played Invoked before, so all new to me. Oh, nice. Ooh, 2 good cards. Got another Ghost Trick Mansion, and is that an X-Saber? X-Saber Wayne. Very nice. This one should have something good. Look, I love that rainbow color. That's awesome. 2 good items. Ooh, yeah. Gear Gaia Gear. Giganta XG. And Dark Strike Fighter. Ooh. I'd like to get a UR or... Ooh, we got 2 good cards here. I'd like to get a UR or SR good Ghost Trick Monster. That'd be really nice. Getting a lot of URs here. I'm popping off with the URs. That's pretty amazing. Amazement Administrator. Arlenko? No idea. But we did get Ghost Trick Renovation. Pack number 9. Oh. I was wrong. I thought that that would have a SR in it. I do like the name of this one. So cute, boss. Obviously, Yu-Gi-Oh's not going to use Succubus. Oh, this is a super pack. Ending it big time here. Oh, come on, not one single. Not one single SR monster. At least I got the support built up, though. What's the UR? Adamancepitator Ryzen Dragite. Good luck saying that 10 times fast. Oh, so load up your deck with rock monsters, and you can really do some damage to your opponent. Oh, and you get to place the excavated cards on the bottom of your deck in any order? Oh, you could have manipulation galore there. Negate the activation only if you do destroy it. That's a pretty powerful effect there. Not the best. Well, I shouldn't say that. I got some good cards that were for other archetypes, but I didn't get a whole lot for the Ghost Trick archetype, unfortunately. But at least I did get some of the support cards built up, so that's good. I can't believe how many secret packs there are in this particular game. That's pretty crazy. And while I have you here, I also have one bonus pack that I want to open. But I'll open that one up in just a minute. I do want to open a couple of single packs here. I'm going to open up a Glory of the Wings. I kid you not, I opened up just one of these packs, not a whole 10, but just one. And I got the Harpy's Feather Duster, which is a fantastically powerful card. Let's see what I get. Ooh, ooh! Ooh! This card's actually not bad. Especially for Harpies. What's this? Oh, Wind Witch. Interesting. I got a couple of new card packs. That was a good purchase. Any other ones of these that I want to... I'll open up one Nichiria pack just to see what I get. Believe it or not, some of the tuners in Nichiria are actually universally powerful outside of Nichiria itself. Ooh, it's Rainbow. I'm gonna potentially get a UR here. Oh, maybe I was wrong. Or maybe I was right! Haha! Awesome. Is this one of the good ones? Yes, this is one of the really good ones. When a spell card is activated, you can send the top 2 cards of your deck to the graveyard. Negate the activation, and if you do, destroy it. So that is an incredibly powerful card to negate spells. The other one, I believe you have to banish 2 cards from your graveyard, and you can negate a trap card. So they kind of work in tandem. You can, to negate a spell card, you send the type 2 cards of your deck to the graveyard. To negate a trap, you banish 2 cards from your graveyard from gate. So they kind of work in tandem. And this is one of that 2-piece combo. The only thing holding this particular card from being universally played is the fact you have to have an Earth Tuner. If you don't run an Earth Tuner, you cannot run it in your deck. If your deck doesn't work with synergy like that. But if this just said 1 tuner plus 1 non-tuner Earth monster, this could be easily toolboxed into a lot of decks out there. But because you have to have an Earth Tuner specifically and a non-tuner Earth monster, that really limits its wide appeal. Still very powerful for decks that can run it, though. That was an excellent, excellent pull. I could not believe my luck there. That was great. Just for 1 pack. That was... Yeah. That was amazing. Any other ones that I want to try? No, I think I want to do... 1 Galaxy War Pack, just for the memes. See if I get anything good. With the way my luck's been going, I'm expecting it to run out here. Yeah, I had really good luck that last pack, so I wasn't expecting anything here. Alright. Now it's time for the moment. I'm going to open this Legacy pack. There's a lot of jank cards, but a lot of great cards you can get from this particular list. A lot of these cards are very old nostalgia cards, but also very, what's the best way to put it? It runs the gambit. You have amazing cards like Morphing Jar, Cyberstein, Card Destruction, One Day of Peace. But you also have, let me scroll down here a bit. A lot of cards that aren't as good. Well, here. Just to give you an idea, some of the normal monsters you can get. Oh yes, that guy. Legend of Blue Eyes, classic no effect fusion monster. The Roaring Ocean Snake, classic from the Metal Raiders. Once again, no effect. You could get a lot of cards like that too. But there's also some good cards, as you've seen. Morphing Jar, fantastic card. I love that card so much I actually crafted it with some of the free UR bits that the game gave me. Alright. Oh, that's considered a UR, huh? I don't... Is monster theft that big of an issue now that, you need that? I didn't know. Okay. Well, anyway, we're gonna open this pack. Let's do this. Oh, it's just 2 cards. I thought I was getting a whole bunch of them. I'm sorry, game. So I got this one. Was this one ever even released in English? I don't remember this card at all. Maybe a tournament pack? I honestly don't know. And Dark Spider. I thought I was getting 8 cards. I didn't know I was just getting 2. That's good to know. Alright, so that was that. And for fun, I'm going to buy myself a dual field as well. I'm getting tired of the same old forest theme. I'm thinking volcano or ritual cage. Not a huge fan of the Gear Town look. And I'm not a huge fan of the foreign capital look either. You know what? I like the sleek design of the ritual cage. I think I'm going to go with this. Alright. So with that being said, I think I'm going to end this with one final pack, because the bonus pack was a big letdown. Like I said, I was expecting extravagance. I got oof. Which one do I want to end it on? Something fun. Rulers of the Deep. You know what? We're going to end it on an Abyssal Underworld. Actually, no. Sorry. I changed my mind. We're gonna go with the rulers of the deep. We're gonna go with the rulers of the deep. One final pack to end the video. Doesn't look promising to start, but things could change. Ooh, things did change! What is that? Dragoonity Knight. That guy. Not bad. Not a bad pull at all. If I ever decide to build that. Dragoonity decks, I might use that card. Alright. Not bad. Not bad at all. Got a lot of URs for decks that I'm not working on right now, but that's okay. I could always potentially use them later, and if I don't, the beautiful thing about this game is you can dismantle any card you get from a pack. You don't have to wait till you hit the 3 limit if you don't need the card for what you're building. Like if you're like, I'm never going to use this card, you could just dismantle it and be like, okay, I can use those points to get a card I do need. Of course, you only get 1/3 of the value, but it's always an option. I do like that option. You don't have to build a whole playset before you have to dismantle it, which would be horrible if you're trying to get SRs and URs. It'd be fine for normals and rares, but SRs and URs would take forever to try to build up those particular cards. Alright, well, that was a lot of fun. I think I'm going to see what I earned for the mission reward. Alright, so looks like I got some points for finding some more secret packs. That's always nice. I forgot there was a claim all at once button. That's nice. Ooh. It's nice. The next one here I get some juicy SR bits, which 50 I have 10, so that would bump me up to being able to get 2 more SRs. That'll be nice. I don't know why they give you a bunch of normal ones when that's pretty easy to do. Ooh, UR. I have 10 URs right now, so that'll be nice because then I could build 2 more URs that I desperately need for some of my packs. Or some of my decks that I'm trying to build. I'm building one in particular. It's not the best one, but I am excited to show it off if you guys want to see that in the next video. Until next time, this was Booster Box Buster with my first Yugioh Master Duel video, and hopefully not the last one, and I'm signing out. Peace.